little GTO, you're really looking fine. 3 deuces and a 4-speed and a 389. Listen to her tacking up now, listen to her whine. Come on and turn it on, wind it up, blow it out.